Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. I just wanted to do a quick demonstration of the 8BitDo arcade stick, originally made for the Nintendo Switch, working correctly with the PS5. I did have somebody message me that they bought one of these adapters and it did not work correctly, so I did want to show it. The adapter in question, it should look like this, orange and white. Then the box, it looks just like that. Wingman converter. Notice down there it says PS5. You will need to go to the website and update it to the latest firmware. Real easy to do. Only takes maybe 2 or 3 minutes. So we're going to start off. We're going to have our PS5 turned off. I'm going to take the adapter from your arcade stick and plug that in. Go ahead and plug this in here. And then we're going to, make sure the arcade stick is off. Then you're going to turn on your PS5. After you turn on your PS5, you're going to switch the controller on over to the switch side. You'll notice right there, one of the lights is lit up, showing that it made a connection. And you also see that the light is solid on the 8BitDo adapter, as well as the FGC adapter as well. I'm going to load up Street Fighter. And I apologize for the angle. I don't have a proper tripod yet. All right, so we're in here. And sometimes it takes just a moment for it to connect. Yeah, see, there we go. And the blue button, that'll be the equivalent of your PlayStation button. The yellow button doesn't seem to have a function. And the green button doesn't have a function as well. All right, so I'll go ahead and load up Street Fighter. And please also bear in mind that this adapter slash converter is just for fighting sticks. The company hasn't said if it works for controllers, so I can't say that it does work, but it does work for Street Fighter. And I will not be going online so you can watch me get thrashed. All right, one. Go to Fighting Ground. Combo Trials. Just Luke. Classic. Let's see, mediums. That's going to be. See, got that combo. You got. And the timing definitely takes some time to get used to. It's not like the other Street Fighters where you can just kind of match the controls like Tekken. The timing is actually really important. Let's see. See? And there you have it. There's our PlayStation button. Shut down. All right, if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. Thank you.